Hey everyone, and welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I will show you step by step how to transfer crypto from Binance to Kraken. So, without further ado, let's get right into it. The first thing you need to do, if you want to transfer crypto from Binance to Kraken, is to log in on both Binance and Kraken. Once you're logged in, you need to go over to Binance. You'll then be sent over to this page, and you need to go over to Wallet. In the top right, you'll then see this pop up, and you need to click on Buy and Spot. Because as you can see right here you can deposit and withdraw, and you will then be sent over to the Fight and Spot page. Over on this page you can see your Fight and Spot balance, your Spot balance and your Fight balance. When you scroll down you'll be able to see all the cryptocurrencies you have available on Binance. And you can then either go over to the withdraw button to the right of the coin you would like to withdraw. For this example I'll use Algorand, so you can then click on the withdraw button over on the action section, or you can click on the withdraw button in the top right. And you'll then be sent over to this page, where you can go over to the coin selector and click on Algorand or any other coin you want to transfer. Once you have selected the right coin, you'll see that you have to fill in the address you want to transfer to. So to find this address, you need to go over to Kraken. You'll then need to go over to funding, and then you'll be sent over to a page looking similar to this one. Now you need to go over to the deposit button right here, click on it, and you can then go over to the search bar and search for the coin you have selected on Binance. So for me this is Algorand. Please make sure to select the same coin, because if you accidentally select another coin or cryptocurrency, all the funds you'll be transferring will be lost. So once you have double checked that you have selected the right coin on both of the exchanges, you can then go over to the deposit section and click on generate deposit address. Now all you need to do is to copy the deposit address. You can do that by just clicking on the click to copy button right here. Once you've done that, you'll see that your address has been copied, and you can then go over to Binance and paste in your address. Now, if you're transferring Algorand, the only network available will be the Algo network, but if let's say for example that the coin you want to transfer is Bitcoin, you should select Bitcoin on both of the exchanges. You can then again click on generate deposit address, and you can then copy your address. Once you then go over to Binance and paste in your address, you will still need to select the network, but as you can see, most networks will be unmatched. If there is multiple networks available, there's a high chance you can use any of the networks available. But if you want to be sure, I recommend you go over to Google and search for which network supports transferring and then the name of the currency you're trying to transfer. And once you have selected the right address, the last and final thing you need to do is to fill in the amount of cryptocurrencies you want to transfer. You'll then also be able to select if you want to use your spot wallet or your funding wallet to transfer. And by the way, you can also click on max right here to select all of your available holdings. And once you've done that, you can go ahead, click on the withdraw button, and you'll then see the withdrawal pop up. So please be sure to double check all the information to make sure you haven't made any mistakes. And once you've done that, you can go ahead and click on continue. You'll then see the security verification pop up, and now all you need to do is to fill in the two-factor authentication code sent to your phone and maybe to your email. So you can just click on get code, and you'll then have to fill in the codes. And once you've filled in both of these security codes, the last and final thing you need to do is to click on submit. If you found this video helpful, let me know by leaving a like or subscribing to my channel for more tutorials about cryptocurrencies.